So you are thinking about starting an online hustle in 2026, but you are stuck between TikTok Shop, affiliate, and dropshipping. Let's cut through the noise in the next 1 minute. I will break down both models and tell you which one's winning in the US. Right now, here's the deal. TikTok Shop Affiliate is like having a built-in storefront inside the world's most addictive app. You don't need to buy products, ship anything, or deal with customer complaints. You just create content, plug in products, and earn commissions. And in 2026, TikTok's algorithm is pushing shop content hard, meaning affiliates are getting insane reach and conversions. It's simple, low risk, and perfect. If you're creative and love short-form video, now dropshipping has been the classic online business model for years. You set up a store, find suppliers, and they ship products directly to your customers. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch in 2026. AD costs are climbing, competition is brutal, and US customers expect lightning fast shipping. If you can't deliver, they bounce. Dropshipping gives you control over branding, but it takes more money, more patience, and way more hustle to stand out. So which is better in 2026? For beginners in the USA, TikTok Shop Affiliate is the clear winner. It's faster to start, easier to scale, and perfectly aligned with TikTok's growth. Dropshipping still works, but it's best for seasoned sellers who want to build a full brand empire.